Hey, it's MJ. I've got a little story for you today. Something real, fun, and full of everyday English. You'll hear natural words and expressions people actually use. So go ahead, grab your favorite drink, cozy up, and chill with me. Repeat after me if you feel like it. And don't forget to jot down any cool new words. Let's jump in. And as always, learn it, love it, and live it with MJ. Hey there, friend! Have you ever had one of those days? You know, where everything just keeps happening, and by the end, you're like, wait, is this still today? Well, that was me, today. And I thought, why not take you with me? Let's walk through my wild day and learn some super useful English expressions along the way. Ready? Let's do this. So, my alarm went off at exactly 6:30 a.m. Alarm went off means the alarm started ringing. But trust me, I didn't wake up like those movie characters, smiling, stretching, birds singing. Nope. I woke up like a zombie, just stared at the ceiling like, do I really have to adult today? But hey, life doesn't wait. So I dragged myself out of bed. Dragged means moving slowly because you're super tired. Or just lazy. Been there. Bathroom routine, brush teeth, wash face. Then, straight to the kitchen. Straight to means directly or immediately. Like after work, I went straight to bed. While waiting for my coffee? You guessed it. Phone time, scrolling, checking messages, emails, Instagram, basically wasting time. Then I sat at my desk, opened my notebook, and looked at my to-do list. A to-do list is just a list of tasks or things you need to get done. Mine was massive. Just looking at that list made me tired. Honestly, a great word when you're sharing how you really feel. I had zero energy. At 8 a.m., I started editing a YouTube video. I was in work mode, which means fully focused. But of course, my laptop froze. Like 3 times, I was like, please, laptop, don't give up on me today. Then I switched to my next video ideas, my favorite part. I get to be creative, think of fun topics, and yes, I was multitasking. Like crazy. Multitasking is doing many things at the same time. Emails with one hand, podcast notes with the other. By 12:30, I was starving. Starving means super hungry. So I made a quick sandwich, bread, cheese, turkey, and some chips on the side. No time for anything fancy. Then it was time to run errands. Run errands means doing small tasks outside, like shopping or going to the bank. I went to the supermarket and you won't believe this. I forgot my shopping list. Classic MJ move. So I walked around like, okay, what do I think I need? Bread, milk, chocolate, definitely chocolate. And the cashier line? So long. I waited like 20 minutes, just scrolling TikTok and questioning all my life choices. Back home, unpacked the groceries, grabbed a quick snack, yes, chocolate again, and jumped right back into work. But honestly, I was exhausted. Exhausted means extremely tired. Like, I could nap on the floor. Tired. So, more coffee. At 6 p.m., I cleaned the kitchen, did laundry, folded clothes. Laundry is just washing and drying clothes, but it always feels never-ending. I put on music, English songs, of course. It made the chores feel less boring. Almost fun. Almost. Dinner, pasta, simple and fast. I watched my favorite Netflix show while eating. Definitely the highlight of my day. Then came the best part. A hot shower. Pure bliss after a long, crazy day. After the shower, I put on my softest, coziest pajamas. Cozy means warm, soft, and just right for relaxing. Made myself a cup of tea, basically a hug in a mug. Then curled up on the couch. Quiet, peaceful, finally. So, yeah, that was my day. Messy, busy, kind of chaotic, but we got through it. And if your day felt like mine, just know you're not alone. We're all out here, figuring it out, one step, one task, one cup of tea at a time. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you picked up something useful and maybe felt a little less alone. And as always, learn it, love it, live it. All right, friends, that's it for today's story. I hope you picked up some cool new words and felt a little more confident with your English. Remember, it's all about learning a little every day and having fun while doing it. If you enjoyed this, give it a like, share it with someone who's learning too, and don't forget to subscribe. And hey, learn it, love it, and live it with MJ. See you next time.